Everybody say truck prices right now are kind of insane, and to be honest, they are 100% right about that. Trucks are like pushing like 60 to 70, all the way up to like 90,000, which is kind of crazy for just a pickup truck, a brand new pickup truck. To be honest, somehow people are still buying the Ram trucks, and not just the newer ones, but also the older ones too. Ram, like the one I got behind me, like the 2014 Dodge Rams, are still everywhere, and people hold on to them, buy them still with over 100K plus miles. That's exactly what I did with my truck behind me. I did not buy it at exact 100,000 plus miles. I bought this truck right here behind me when this truck had around like 112, 110, somewhere around there plus, but it was over 100,000 plus miles. But you guys, after owning this truck right here behind me, I finally understand exactly why. Honest with you guys, this truck behind me is not a perfect truck. I have things on this truck that broke. It's not a perfect pickup truck at all. That's where this truck really annoyed me by certain things, going out and things like that. Now, I'm be real with you guys, right? Definitely problems you need to know if you are going to buy yourself one of these trucks. Just to keep that in mind. And one thing, right? There's a reason why a lot of these trucks owner keep going buying these trucks over and over again. There's a reason behind that. Here today, I'm going to tell you guys what is the good, what is the bad, what really goes wrong with a truck like this, and also what is like owning one of these pickup trucks and things like that. Last thing, whether a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 like this is still worth buying today in 2026. You guys, some of these things most definitely surprised me. 2014 Dodge Ram right here, as you guys can see. And one thing, I'm be honest with you guys, Ram most definitely nailed 100% my personal opinion that the designs on these truck is like the 4th generation Ram. Honestly, is one of the best styling in my personal opinion. I love the 5th generation, 3rd generation, but I think all around, the rear end, even the front, it just stand out so much as Dodge Ram to me before, all of that stuff happened. But technically, I feel like this is like the best looking body style right here for the Ram trucks and stuff. Today, as we speak, in 2026, this truck came out 2014. It still looked like a brand new modern pickup truck now, even from in a rear end side, so you guys could see it still look pretty much updated. It still look aggressive. The front end still pretty much look good. Honestly, top like a newer 2025 plus pickup truck, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It just looked overall like a brand new pickup truck. And the crazy thing is, this truck is really not a brand new pickup truck. This truck came out 2014. Pretty much still blend in with these newer Ram trucks, the 2025, 26, and things like that. Still look like a brand new pickup truck. And a lot of people still buy these trucks because they age very, very well. To be real with you guys, isn't some kind of fully loaded luxury pickup truck. This is just a basic model. It's the SLT. And crazy thing is even basic Ram from this era that we in on the inside compared to a lot of trucks from the same time period. I think that's where Ram really actually changed the game and stuff like that and took over. Really started buying trucks because they actually wanted them. There's a huge difference because these trucks became daily drivers. Vehicle, road trip vehicle, and also comfort vehicles. Most truck buyers got used to that vehicle kind of level. There was really no turning back, to be honest. Though this truck has like one of the basic trim, it still feel pretty comfortable. I'm be honest, like the cloth seat, sitting inside of the truck. The only thing I can say is just the space wise, obviously because it's a quad cab, to the ride quality, the seats and stuff are pretty comfortable for the Ram trucks. That got to be one of the biggest reasons why most people in today 2026 are still buying Ram trucks. You guys, right? Why the ride quality actually really stand out for these trucks, right? Driven an older pickup truck, you should know exactly what I mean. Older pickup truck before, and a lot of them ride like a farm equipment. If you guys ever been on like a farm equipment, things like that, like an older style machine, pretty much very shaky and bumpy and things like that. Really hit hard, and long driving got very tiring and boring real fast. Ram definitely did something different with these trucks. They focus, one of the biggest focus I think that I feel like they focus on was like the ride quality and things like that, comfort and stuff, driving a vehicle like this. And that made like a huge difference, right? This truck, not lower, I'm saying like just a stock truck, ride very, very smooth, especially on highways and things like that. Get me wrong, it's still a pickup truck. You're still gonna feel bumps. You're still gonna sit higher up and things like that. But I'm just saying, like, I'm not here to talk smack, but compared to a lot of the competitors and stuff like that's out there that compete with Ram trucks, this truck really drive well compared to most of them and things like that. I'm saying like every Ram trucks out there, the ride quality definitely is one of the best. Daily drive a pickup truck like I do, that really does matter a lot because you really gonna focus on that a lot. Coming from me, I'm telling you guys, because my truck is lower, and I'm saying before I even lower this truck, driving it every day does become like I have to be comfortable, you know? Most pickup truck owners today, they're not really towing every day. Most people just use their truck like I do, run errands and stuff, drive to work and things like that, and haul stuff maybe every now and then. Sounds like become like a huge, really something that's very, very important for these trucks. And I feel like Ram definitely understand the assignment way before most of these manufacturers out there. Highways, driving this truck definitely does feel a whole lot relaxing. Enough, it's track straight. The seats pretty much stay comfortable. Now, I wouldn't say that it's the best, but it definitely does make a difference for me. Biggest reasons why a lot of people stay loyal to these Ram pickup trucks. Talk about the big old 5.7 liter Hemi. Let's be honest, right? Huge reasons why most people buy these trucks. And you guys know that the 5.7 Hemis in these trucks has a huge personality. It sounds pretty good, and when you accelerate, you feel that power. Nothing too crazy though, but you definitely does notice that 5.7 liter Hemi power that it give up. Like the smaller engines and stuff out there, it still give you that like that old school V8 engine feeling that people love and things like that. The thing is, we live in a time now where like modern trucks are getting like the turbo engine, smaller engines, pretty much hybrid system and things like that. Buyers out there like myself still want that traditional V8 we all crave and want to drive. American muscle sound, simplicity, sick American muscle truck feeling, and to be honest, that 5.7 liter Hemi does deliver that. Is it perfect? Definitely not. I'm pretty sure you guys know about the 5.7 liter, the Hemi ticks in general. For bolt issue, lifter problems, a few economy complaints and things like that. Guys, all of those things are 100% real. Pretending like these trucks never had any kind of major problems, they are definitely lying. But here's the thing, right? None of these trucks on the roads, right, with high mileage, actually real high mileage, feel strong, it still have power, towing still feel good and confident and things like that. Make the truck fun to drive. As you guys see, my truck right now is at 158,000 plus miles. I know that's not a lot, but that's still a lot of miles for some people. As in one of these trucks, it still feel like a real pickup truck, to be honest. About the bad stuff, and I'm be honest with you guys, what nobody really want to touch up on, right? She really out there trying to spend your hard-earning money, plan on buying one of these trucks, new, used, you got to be aware of all of these things. Definitely do have issues depending on how the previous owner actually really treat them. A great pickup truck like I did, or you can end up with a pickup truck that's pretty much is a nightmare. Staying with these truck is the maintenance history, because the maintenance definitely matter a lot with these Ram pickup trucks. Change transmission service, them maintenance, wear and exhaust issue. If the previous owner that owned this vehicle ignore every single one of them things and you decide to buy it, you definitely going to be paying the price for it. Big thing to understand, right? You don't honestly don't expect yourself to buy a Hemi and expect yourself to get what like a Prius or something, like the mileage, gas mileage they get, because these trucks definitely drink a whole lot of gas. In the city, aggressive driving, and you like pushing down on that gas pedal most of the time, towing, things like that, you're definitely gonna notice. Mileage really your number one priority. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This truck right here is not a V8. Is not definitely the way for you to go. Thing right is the interior wear and things like that. I'll be honest, some of these trucks actually does age pretty well, but sometimes you have like the seat stains and things like that. You will have like the middle hand console kind of having like a crack on there. Like mine right now currently does have a little bit of that. The truck is a little bit dirty. Like these seats right here will have a little cut right here. As you guys can see, I'm starting to have a little bit of a crack right here. But you know, it's all little wear and things like that. Not really something major, because you can always replace them, down to how you really treat them. And another thing is the electronic issue can definitely become very, very annoying on the older trucks. Are showing up over time, like the sensors, switches and things like that. Stuff like that you got to really keep an eye out for. Aging vehicle stuff. The biggest thing that a lot of people ignore with used truck, honestly, is the previous owner. Really, to me, matter more than a brand itself. It's the truth for almost like every truck and cars out there. I actually really stay loyal to these Ram trucks. Why do people actually keep buying them? Comes down to emotion more than anything else. Stuff become attached to how a vehicle, like a truck, feel from them driving it. Honestly, like me, exactly how I feel about my truck. Trucks most definitely have personality. They feel definitely comfortable. They sound good. They look aggressive. They drive smoother. They definitely drive smoother than what most people actually think. Sound too. And once somebody really get used to that, they really don't want to switch to any kind of different vehicle and things like that. Like me, this is my third Ram pickup truck I ever owned. You just get used to it. It's like I don't see myself driving any other pickup trucks than a Ram or a Dodge Ram, whatever you want to call it. Guys, before owning a Ram truck, I actually really thought that a pickup truck is a pickup truck at the end of the day. They're really spending a lot of time owning these trucks. At the end of the day, every pickup truck out there definitely does have like a different kind of personality. Definitely feel more relaxed and comfortable, most definitely than what most people actually really think about these trucks. Family buy them, and that's why most people who like to travel around buy them and things like that. Pretty easy to live with. Is this still worth buying today in 2026? Yes, if you buy the right one. That's the real thing. You got to find the right one to buy. Then that's when you're really going to have a real winner. You need maintenance, history, inspection, no rust, issue, and ideally a owner who actually really took care of this truck, like the previous owner. That's another good thing you got to look out for. Like that, these trucks definitely could be a great value for you, and you can have yourself a nice, dependable used Ram pickup truck compared to the price of these newer trucks out there today. Let's be real. A lot of people cannot justify spending like $80,000 on a brand new pickup truck in today's world like that. Not most people just willing to go out there and spend $80,000 like that. You can still find older Ram trucks out there like mine. Look good, still drive the same, have been well taken care of, still look and feel like the newer trucks out there. And this is one of the biggest reasons why prices out there stay strong. Guys, so after owning this truck, then why truck owners keep buying these trucks. They are perfect. They most definitely are not. And out there have some kind of problem, and every truck brand out there needs some kind of repair. We have something that people connect with: comfort, sound, and also personality. Like this, make people feel something. They definitely stay loyal to it like me. Pays a lot. 1500, let me know. Have your Ram been the same way like mine has? Out of one of these, or would you switch the brand and go somewhere else? Experience down in the comments down below and let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely gonna say I appreciate your time being on the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and peace out.